Hello, welcome to today's quick tip about editing captions in Panopto. If you are recording videos frequently as announcements or for assignment instructions or clarifications, and are not planning to use that video in future quarters, the video still needs to have captions edited by human eyes to ensure that they are correct. This is something that you as faculty can do, and if your video is fairly short and straightforward, is something that should not take too terribly long. To begin with, you have to open the video for editing. To get to the editing window, there are a couple ways to do it. If your video is embedded in Canvas, you may have this little arrow at the bottom of the video. Clicking on this will open the video in Panopto so that you can edit it. If that arrow is not there, click on the Panopto Recordings link. The video may or may not appear in this list depending on how you've set up your course. Click on this icon that has a box with an arrow coming out of the upper right to open this folder in Panopto. Once here, you can search your personal folders for the video you want to edit. This is the video I am editing today. I will hover over the video title to be able to see the edit icon. It looks like a film strip with a pen. Clicking on the edit icon brings me to the edit window. Clicking on Captions in the left menu will show me the auto captions that Panopto has provided. I can scroll through the script using the bar on the right of the words. I can click into any one of these individual boxes to edit any text. For example, I can put a space here between list and view. As I scroll through, if I see any underlined words, those indicate words that Panopto was less certain about when creating the captions. Focus on those first. For example, this should be SBCTC. So clicking on this underlined word, it will show me what it was not certain about, and I can change it using my mouse and keyboard to be the correct term. Read through the transcript looking for any errors that exist and fix them as you would in a word processor. Read through the transcript without playing the video to help make any errors easier to identify. Clicking on the magnifying glass above the transcript opens the Replace All menu. This allows you to replace multiple errors at one time. For example, typing Canvas on the left box and Canvas with a capital on the right box and clicking Replace All replaces all instances of Canvas in my transcript to be now capitalized. If you are not sure if all of them need to be replaced, you can use the arrow next to Replace All to go one instance at a time. Once you are happy with the way the transcript looks, be sure to click on the green Apply button in the upper right. In the words of our colleague, Jamie Ansell, "Don't cry, click Apply." Once the captions have been saved, you are finished editing your captions in Panopto. I hope this has been a helpful e-learning quick tip.